Alrighty, Appreneurs. This is Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul, and I'm going to address a few comments that I received on my latest videos, and I'm glad you all are commenting. Keep up the good work, really. I really thrive on feedback, and I want to hear everything that you all have to offer. And so right now I'm able to, answer some feedback questions. If this really gets big, I'm still going to answer feedback questions because I'm always checking my email. Because that's just what I do. But anyway, let's get to this one. This is from Teacher. Go to my YouTube, okay. Teacher Abby, 2 days ago. Sorry for the late reply, but I've been busy making some videos. Actually, I'm making a how to make a coronavirus news app video. But to answer Teacher Abby, hope I said that right. If I don't, I apologize. Teacher, please accept my humble apologies. But thanks for the videos, great stuff. What is the legal implication, if any, of using PDF works of others to make your app? Great question, great question. And actually, in the video, the series that I'm making about the coronavirus, that kind of hits home with that. And I'm going to answer it the way I'm going to tell you from my experience. I've made a lot of apps, and I use a lot of different content in my apps. I made over 470 apps, and I have never had any implication or been contacted about any copyright infringements or private label right infringements as far as using PDFs. I haven't. Okay? Not saying that it can happen. I'm just going to tell you from my experience. I've never had it happen. Because if you looked at some of my trainings, one of my YouTube search operators is, let me pull it up for you, which is actually just looking for PDFs for content. Now, let's get to one. Yeah, Minecraft. Okay. Let me tell you this story. Now with Minecraft, man, I was getting the flux with Minecraft. I would get notices about the Minecraft websites. I've gotten that from Google Play, and I've also gotten it from Minecraft because it's important to put the contact page in your apps. That's another subject though. But that way Minecraft will contact you directly instead of going to Google Play. Because if they go to Google Play, man, it's all kind of riffraff going on with Google Play. But Minecraft will contact you, okay? And they'll say, well, you can't use this or whatever, use that. Now, I've had issues with Minecraft websites, okay? And not necessarily from Minecraft either, but from, I would say, third-party YouTube channels, some, saying, you can't use this, this phrase or this name, inside of your app. I've had that happen. Okay, and I'm trying to stick to your question, teacher. But like I said, I haven't had any implications about using PDFs. I rarely use PDFs, but when I've used them, I haven't had any feedback about using others' PDFs, works of others in your app yet. I'm trying to read your question here. Not saying that they can't and they won't. I haven't had any issues. Okay. I mean, I don't know if it's because I'm using the wrong PDFs or PDFs that's not, but I figure it's like this. It's a PDF file, and it's out there for people to view. Now, whether it's, a private label right or, they have rights on it, I don't know. But I'll say this, I made a lot of YouTube videos. I remember people were using my videos, putting them on their websites. Okay? And I'm like, wait a minute. That's my video, but they changed the description and everything. And I remember saying, well, I don't mind using my video, but don't take out all my affiliate links and everything. But that people, they can do that. And I didn't make a big stink about it. I figured, it's my video, it's getting, it's out there. Okay? But yeah, sticking back to your comment, I haven't had any issues with it. Now, images on the other hand, well, we already know about images, right? That's a big no-no. That's why, I teach you all in training, how to get around those things. And really, not how to get around it, but just stick with private label rights and, Creative Commons, stuff you can use for free. And a lot of people worry about, well, I'm not going to get no downloads. Listen, don't worry about that. Your job is put up as many apps as you can. This is a numbers game. This is a numbers game, and like I said, as far as with these images, Google Play is not playing, So until Google Play is extinct, which is coming soon, I can't wait till Facebook, Facebook comes up with a app store, which I don't know why they have it, but, and until then, you got to deal with these folks at Google Play, which they disgust me, but let me get off my soapbox. Because a lot of you all, you're making, right now that's your bread and butter. Okay? Do not get your Google Play account banned. Although they're customer representatives, talk to you any kind of way, talk to you like, you don't matter. And I'm telling you, I've experienced it. Okay? But anyway, yes, as far as the PDF issues go, I haven't had any problems. Let me show you my new app real quick. Well, I'll tell you what, before we do that, let's just look at a few. Let's look at this. This is a PDF. Okay? And back a long time ago, Minecraft is still a big niche. If you put up some Minecraft apps, you're going to make some money. Okay, now I see something here, Creative Commons. Okay? So you can use that in your app. So maybe teacher, Abby, maybe you can just get PDFs. Maybe there's a way to search just PDFs with Creative Commons. You can do that. But I'm going to tell you right off, I don't like Creative Commons because you have to when you put them inside of your Andromo activity, you have to expand it to make it visible. And I don't like that. I use, in fact, let me show you a couple apps real quick. I know I'm going a little long. Okay, my audio and ebook, and I'm going to show you all how to make one of those where actually your users can read as the audio is playing. Okay, you can do that with this app. I'm going to show you how to make these. But what I do, I use HTML. Okay, and I've got them hidden right here. But I can still edit it. I can show you. But the text is just going to show. Okay, from a zip file. Okay, I use HTML and also use I use HTML for documents also. Then necessarily have to be a PDF, but it can be a document. Okay, but let's see, what other apps do I have? We go to projects again. See a few of these Minecraft apps I have. Let's look at this one real quick. See if I have any PDFs in here. No, I don't. Just mainly videos. Maps. Yeah. Okay. But, yeah. Getting back to your comment, Mr. Teacher Abby, I haven't had any problem with it. Okay. But that's not to say that you won't. But, you know, like I said, I have to add that disclaimer. I'm not promoting you to use PDFs, but I'm not against it either. And I don't like to use them too much, but, you know, if you can go another route, you know, as far as using HTML, you know, or documents, I would say use that. But like I said, my original feeling on this was, you know, they're out there. You can search for them. Why not use them? Okay. I hope that answers your question, teacher. Thank you, and keep the comments coming. And we're going to end it right there. We're 11 minutes in. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I want to say also, you know, like it. Hit that thumbs up. Hit it right now. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video.